This is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning, and as usual, we'll take a look here at crude and natural gas. Now, today, after the close at 4:30, the API numbers will be out, and then on Wednesday at 10:30, the EIA report will be out. Now, yesterday, you'll notice that there was a spike up in crude oil. Well, that is because the U.S. is going to buy back 3 million barrels here to refill the SPR. Now, just remember that they drained it by 180 million barrels, so it's going to be a long road ahead of them. However, that should put a really nice floor under crude. All right, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, the old daily chart. Now, today, so far, we got a higher high and a higher low. But if you look here, exactly where this thing is trying to get, 71.78. That is your 8 SMA. All right, now you can see how this 8-day, though, is curling up nice. So if this can roll back ahead like it did here and cross that 21, you could have a really nice push up. Okay, so what we want to do is the upside resistance levels is we want to look here at the 71.78. Then what we want to do is we want to look here to the bottom of this candle here. This is 71.80. Then what we want to do is look at this 21-day. This is sitting at 74.04. Then we have 74.76, your 50-day. And then we have 76.34 is your 100-day SMA. And then you have your retest here, sitting here at 81.52. Now, we don't want to worry about this right here. This is a lot of resistance, so it's going to take a lot of something here to break on through. Okay, so what we want to do is watch this key 8 SMA. Now, if this happens to go down, what we want to do is watch the bottom of these candles here. So what do you have here is you got 69.93, and then we have yesterday's low at 69.41. And then we'll go to this candle here. This is 67.95. This is a very good, like I pointed out yesterday, this is a very good support level because if you go all the way across here on this, you can see the line going across. That is really nice, good support level if it can hold this sideways. Now, if you look at this, you could, even though we had two bear flags right here, if it can rally up here and get past this, then you got a good shot here of this 80.73. Now, Goldman Sachs came out there and they're looking for a supply cut here again by OPEC on June 4th when they have their meeting. So this could really rally crude, and they're looking for $100 on the crude. So just be patient with this and just watch these key resistant levels, because no matter what anybody says, the charts are king. They'll tell you where this where the crude is actually going to go. So let's look here at a weekly and a monthly. All right, here we have the old weekly. Now, it's basically the same thing. Bottom 67.03, that's your 200. That is your very, very key support level. If it goes lower, then we can go to this candle here, and that's sitting at 63.64. Okay, that's your downside. Your upside action here is we got to look at this 75.73. This is the 8 SMA, and then this 76.16. That's your 21. If it can close above, then we got a good shot at going higher. Now, on the downside here, on the monthly chart, is you want to always look at that 50 SMA, 66.01. Very, very important support level right there. And then your key resistance level here is going to be the 72.69. That is your 200 SMA. It really just needs to get basically back above that. But again, this is a monthly chart, so it's not going to do it in a day or instant. So we just got to see how this all is going to shake out here. See how the report comes in today at API at 4:30. And then again, I always have more in detail look here after pit close at 2:30. So let's take a look here at the old natural gas. Okay, natural gas, basically same pattern, just sideways action. But I've been pointing out to you is look at these price channels. These are going to be the key, is what we're trading against now. So we really need to close above the 2.529. If you can, you're going to go to that 100-day at 2.737. That is going to be the target. On the downside, look at that 2.031 and 1.946. Those are your key levels. Now, if you look at all these SMAs, okay, so you're looking at 2.26 on your 50, you're looking at 2.252 on your 21, and then 2.48. These are basically all coming together in flatline. Usually when that does that, one will cross again over the other. Okay, you'll get your 8-day, your 21 crossing over your 50-day, and that pushes that price right on up. So don't get too complacent here. I'm just doing small trades here, scalping the boil, scalping the KOLD. Today will probably the boil. I'm going to see how this is all going to shake out here. But I'm watching the same thing, 2.529 on the upside. That is going to be very, very key level. All right, thanks for watching.